Fix Davinci Resolve 19 templates showing a black screen. Are you frustrated because your templates load but only display black, making editing impossible? This usually happens because the templates are missing media links, your GPU drivers are outdated, or timeline and project settings conflict with the template's format. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, asking you to reinstall Resolve, tweak hidden settings, or use complex commands, which can be risky and time-consuming. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes this problem safely and quickly in just a few simple steps. First, we'll check and relink any missing media so the template can display correctly. Then update your GPU drivers to ensure proper rendering. And finally adjust timeline and project settings to match the template's format. This method works on almost all PCs running Davinci Resolve 19. Keeps your project files safe and doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix black screen templates in Davinci Resolve 19, leave a comment below, and I'll guide you through it on Rexist. Try this trick today and get your templates displaying properly so you can edit smoothly without black screens.